Good evening, my name is Dahmani. I'm the captain of the Brownstone FC.
All right, Dahmani, scored the equalizer, securing a point for your team. How important was that penalty?
It was very important because we needed a point. We could have managed to lose all the 3 points. We needed a point to step up in the table.
This seems to be one of the toughest games you guys have played because you guys seem very exhausted at full time. And what do you think about the tempo of the game and how things panned out?
The tempo was quite high, but in the second half we came out and we played our game. So
you had a solid performance from my perspective in midfield. What do you think about your performance today?
It was a good one.
The penalty, what was going through your mind at that point in time? Because the stakes was high, it was on the 90 minutes. What was going through your mind?
No pressure. Only thing in my mind was to score.
All right, cool, composed. It looked like it could have strike. So, in context, how the season is going so far for your team?
It's been a challenging one, but we'll pull through.
All right, and good game again and lovely performance. I hope to see you guys again.